Natural light is one of the most desirable features in any home, especially in a vibrant city like New Orleans where bright, inviting spaces enhance both comfort and style. Homeowners looking to increase the amount of sunlight in their interiors often turn to picture windows as a practical and visually appealing solution. With their large, unobstructed glass design, picture windows are ideal for maximizing natural light while adding elegance and value to New Orleans homes. One of the primary reasons picture windows are so effective at bringing in natural light is their expansive glass surface. Unlike traditional windows that include multiple panes or dividers, picture windows are typically fixed and feature a single, large pane of glass. This allows sunlight to enter without interruption, creating brighter interiors and reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. In New Orleans, where sunlight is abundant, this can significantly enhance the overall atmosphere of a home. Another advantage is the ability of picture windows to capture light from multiple angles. When strategically placed, they can take advantage of morning, midday, and afternoon sunlight, ensuring consistent brightness throughout the day. Whether installed in a living room, dining area, or front-facing space, picture windows help distribute light evenly, eliminating dark corners and making rooms feel more open and welcoming. Picture windows also create a strong connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. New Orleans is known for its charming streets, lush greenery, and unique architecture. A large, clear window allows homeowners to enjoy these views while indoors, enhancing the sense of space and openness. This visual connection not only brings in more light but also creates a relaxing and enjoyable environment. In addition to improving brightness, picture windows can make rooms feel larger and more spacious. The uninterrupted glass surface creates a sense of depth, making smaller areas appear more open. This is especially valuable in homes where space may be limited. By allowing natural light to fill the room and visually extend the space, picture windows contribute to a more comfortable and inviting interior. Energy efficiency is another important consideration. While large windows may raise concerns about heat gain, modern picture windows are designed with advanced features that help manage temperature. High-quality glass options can reduce heat transfer, allowing homeowners to enjoy natural light without significantly increasing indoor temperatures. In New Orleans' warm climate, this balance is essential for maintaining comfort while still benefiting from increased daylight. Picture windows are also low maintenance, which adds to their appeal. Because they do not open or close, they have fewer moving parts that can wear out over time. This makes them easier to maintain and ensures long-term durability. Regular cleaning is usually enough to keep the glass clear and maximize light entry. Another benefit is the ability to customize placement and design. Picture windows can be installed as standalone features or combined with other window styles for added functionality. For example, pairing picture windows with operable windows on the sides allows for both natural light and ventilation. This combination gives homeowners the best of both worlds, bright interiors and improved airflow. Proper installation plays a key role in maximizing the benefits of picture windows. A well-installed window ensures a tight seal, preventing air leaks and maintaining energy efficiency. It also ensures that the window is positioned correctly to capture the most sunlight possible, enhancing both performance and visual impact. In conclusion, picture windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in New Orleans who want to maximize natural light. Their large, unobstructed design allows sunlight to flood interior spaces, creating brighter, more open, and more inviting environments. By improving light distribution, enhancing views, and supporting energy efficiency, picture windows offer both practical and aesthetic benefits. With thoughtful placement and professional installation, they can transform any home into a brighter and more enjoyable living space.